We have already delivered quite a few vessels for the Coast Guard and Navy. In fact, just even in our difficult times, we delivered in December. We delivered a highly complex pollution control vessel for the Coast Guard. So the orders have been coming, and also we delivered two smaller projects for the Navy, which are battle practice target vessels from our Dahej yard, and this pollution control vessel was from the Surat yard. So the orders have been coming, but not to this size of 1 billion plus orders. So this is where we are looking at this Make in India thrust, basically.
So talking about the Modi government's thrust on infrastructure, defense, how bigger a role is ABG Shipyard going to play, and are we ready for it right now?
Yes, as I said, ABG Shipyard is one of the largest private sector shipyards, and we have delivered 169 vessels, which is a big thing for any even foreign yard to consider. And the types of vessels are not just tugs and barges. We have built highly complex vessels. We built for oceanographic survey vessel for Goa, which is a very highly complex vessels. We have done all these offshore vessels, which are dynamic positioning 2, DP2 vessels, and diving support vessels where the divers have to go down, so the ship has to maintain position. And also we have done quite a few foreign orders, like a paper carrier we had done, where the owners, and even in India, the owners are very exacting. And the good thing, as I said in my presentation, is that the vessels delivered by us have very few warranty claims, in fact negligible. So the quality of the build has been extremely good here.
So wanted to get a sense at this point of time, what is our current order book like?
As I said, internally our current order book is, internally it's about 2 billion. Yeah, it's about 2 billion.
And talking about what kind of defense orders are we really looking at going ahead?
Defense orders, one is, as I said, the LPD, which is these two vessels, is above 1 billion, and the two lots of 8 anti-submarine warfare, which is also each above $1 billion.
Talking about the current debt levels, sir, where they're standing and going ahead, obviously, how are we really planning to clean the balance sheet going ahead?
Yeah, basically, we have to deleverage the balance sheet, and one of the things which we are looking at, which will help, is the infrastructure status, basically. So the infrastructure status is a big boost, but also, as I was talking to your colleagues earlier also, this has to be supplemented with the shipbuilding fund or an interest subvention. Because of this only our cost of financing can come down. So once your cost of financing has come down, because in our yards we have a huge capacity. The Dahej yard, which has been built up, it has got one of the world's largest ship lift of 33,000 tons lifting capacity, which is equivalent to 120,000 ton deadweight vessels. So we don't have a dearth of capacity, so we can have the volumes. And we also supplement it with ship repair, which is of course low volume compared to shipbuilding, but it is a high contribution, high gross margins on ship repairs. And we are doing quite, and we are one of the preferred shipyards for the Coast Guard, where we have been delivering vessels to the satisfaction of the client.
So how are we, any targets of cutting down debt levels in say past couple, next couple of years? What are our targets at this point of time?
Yeah, it depends quite a bit on this investor coming in, what will be his, and what will be the discussions with the banks on the loans. Obviously, with the banks, there has to be some settlement. So that is still in the process. It is still work to do. So it does WIP. So once that happens, then we can work out really, but definitely we have to deleverage our balance sheet.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.